So we're gonna be in Vegas pretty early today. I think we're gonna try to get some lunch, wash up the bikes, and just take a little bit of a break. Definitely need it, but kind of bummed that our trip's coming to an end again. But we're gonna try to make the best of it here at the end, and then go from there. Got to Keith's house and he's telling us that he just clocked 1,000 miles. So let's see the proof for the trip.
So it was at 34900 and it was at 34800 when we started, or 33. Shoot, do the math, whatever.
We'll have to verify that.
I got it written.
All right, let's go get some lunch. Right in and out having lunch. Keith dropped off his bags, switched clothes.
Go grab Luca. I'm going.
And we're gonna watch the bikes after this. All right, Keith's bailed for a few minutes. He is going to go to his place, get cleaned up some more. Brian and I are now only together. Just had some in and out. Now we're gonna wash the bikes in a, I don't know, in the self-wash. They've collected a lot of dirt and grime, dust, bugs over the past 5 days, so time for a good wash. Got to our hotel off Fremont Street. We're gonna be spending the evening here and then hopefully getting some good footage on the strip. I got some dirt and sand on the camera. Not the greatest view right here, but we mainly wanted the swimming pool, and that's why it looks like that, because it's right outside. So gonna get cleaned up, enjoy a dip, probably get some dinner tonight. So the ride's over and now we are heading to get some food. We're on Fremont Street, Las Vegas. You can tell by all the flashy bright lights. I'm gonna try to get some footage of the strip tonight and then probably call it. must cover ourselves in plastic for our meal. Our dinner is here.
I've been talking about suffocating with plastic bags.
It's like we're either about to commit a murder or eat some seafood.
Don't get that on me. I don't have anything on.
Why you need a bib on?
That's right.
If you leave me alone about this, I'll put it on.
You did good work here. Morning. We are in the Vegas Hotel Plaza. I'm the first one awake. Brian's still sleeping, which is typical. Fortunately, our trip comes to the end today. Dropping off the bikes, probably after some breakfast. And then it's to the airport with us. You know, these moments are always kind of bittersweet for me. I can't say that I had a bad time. In fact, I had an amazing time. And when you always have an amazing time, you don't want it to end. So I feel like I could ride my motorcycle forever. But I miss my wife, I miss my kids, and look forward to kind of getting back to the rat race. Let's find some coffee. And maybe donuts. There's a donut shop in the basement of this place. Or on the first floor. There's a donut shop on the first floor of this place. I know Brian likes sweets, so maybe I'll pick some up for him. Get us going earlier. So I'm trying to hold a bunch of coffee and donuts here. You can see pink box. Couldn't resist. They had one that was shaped like poo. So Brian got that one since I'm picking up breakfast. There's the poo. And then there was only one. I am officially by myself now. Just dropped Brian off at his gate. And about to board my own plane. Kind of like I said before, you know, these are very bittersweet moments. You know, it's pretty amazing getting to spend time with my brothers and, you know, doing this amazing trip. But you can't help but want more. So I think that's good. Gives you a moment of self-reflection and maybe some things to change. So my goal after this is to do more active things with the family, try to get them out and about more. But it does make you wish you could do more things like this. And maybe that even means moving, I don't know. But all in all, had an amazing time. We'll definitely try to do it again. And Keith and Brian, I love you guys.